Work example 23, solve for x in the following, and now x is the exponent. Remember we said this whole thing is the exponent. I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. Unless we say use logs, you can use exponents most of the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the logs first, and what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to get the base of 16 the same as 2. So this is how you simplified logs earlier. I'm going to say that's the same as the log of 16 is 2 to the power 4 to the base 2, and that equals x. Now the 4 can move to the front. It becomes 4 log 2 base 2, and 4 log 2 base 2 is 1. I'm not going to write it, I'm just going to say 4 equals x. Was it possible to do the same thing exactly, or the same question, using exponents? I could say my base is 2, my exponent is x, and that equals 16. 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 4. The moment that they are the same, x must equal 4. So know both of these ways. Now look at B. Log 3 over a third equals x. I'm going to rewrite this so I can get 3 as 3 over here, so that the base and 3 is the same. A third is 3 to the power negative 1, which equals x. The negative 1 can go to the front, therefore minus 1. Log 3 base 3 is 1, and that equals x. So x equals negative 1. Pretty straightforward. If I cannot get it the same, so I'm going to say log 9, 3 equals x. In this case, it's going to be a little bit harder to do. I can write it in exponential form. I can say my base is 9, my exponent is x, and that equals 3. Now 9, I can say that is 3 squared to the power x, which equals 3. Now that's the same as 2 to the power 2 times x is 2x. That equals 3 to the power 1. This is 3 and this is 3, therefore 2x must equal 1. If 2x equals 1, then x equals, divide by 2 both sides, x equals a half.